Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to take partial profits on Bybit. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you will have to type bybit.com. After that, you just have to hover over to the top right hand corner and you simply need to click on login. Then you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your Bybit account first. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to hover over to derivatives and then you need to click on the option of derivatives portal. Once done, you will be redirected on this derivatives page where you will have to click on this trade now option. After that, this type of window will open in front of you. Now over here you can place the long or the short orders. So you just have to first place the order over here. First you will have to select the pair of coin in which you want to trade, and after that you will have to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to place the order. Then you just have to click on the buy long option and then you just have to confirm your trade. Now once your trade is in profit, you just have to go to your trade which is in profit, and after that you will have to click on the market button. Then a pop-up window will open in front of you where you can select among the 10, 25, 50, 75 and 100%. So you just have to select the percentage of profit that you want to book, and after that you need to click on the confirm button, and this way you will be able to easily take partial profits from Bybit. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.